Hello, today is April 3rd. Time is around 6:20 a.m. and we are headed to Quebec City. It's approximately 470 kilometers from our home. It's gonna take us 5 hours, which is the drive time, but again, we are gonna stop and travel, so it should be taking us around 6 to 7 hours. That's a significant amount of snowfall that's taking place today. And then in Ottawa, there is a weather phenomenon called Colorado Low, and it's going to be almost around 50 millimeters of rainfall. But we are very excited. It's just going to be a one-day trip. We are going to stay in Quebec City tonight and then spend the day there tomorrow, and then we will be back to Ottawa. And we're all set. So we are all set. Time is 7:35. On our way to Quebec City. The drive time is 4.5 hours, but it's gonna take us roughly around 6 to 7 hours because we are gonna stop for breakfast, lunch, and as well as coffee. We have and the next stop is basically Herbs Plaza, and it's gonna be fun. The only thing is it's snowing and raining heavily. That's something to look out for. But it's gonna be a very enjoyable drive.
Yes, it is going to be.
And with me is Murtaza, and it's just us. So we are gonna enjoy a lot.
Okay, let's go.
Where we are currently driving on is 417. So this connects Ottawa to Montreal and is 192 kilometers. And this serves as the national backbone of the capital region. And this is how it looks like. Beautiful 4-lane highway. We are currently crossing Bayshore. Very less traffic. अभी हम लोग हर्ब्स प्लाजा में हैं. So this is just off the highway. Just right in front of me is the convenience store. और यहाँ पे there's a place for good breakfast, washroom as well, and there's a convenience store. And one good thing as well, this has a location of a gas station too, and best to get your car stuff filled. And पीछे आप देख रहे हो कि it's a truck stop as well. So in case if you just want to take a break, you can just park your cars, take rest, and just enjoy the view. And this is roughly around 100 to 120 kilometers to Montreal. So I think it's a perfect midway stop when you're going to Montreal from Ottawa. almost 2 hours 30 minutes गाड़ी चलाने के बाद from Herbs Plaza. We are now at one of the on routes at Highway 40. The weather is very beautiful. It's raining. However, it's not very cold, not very chilly. I'm just wearing a Cotswold shirt. And the drive is very enjoyable. Murtaza is driving, but I'm just sitting by the side, taking photographs, making some videos, making time lapses, and overall, it's a very nice day, I would say. Today being a Good Friday, there's less traffic, and our plan now is to go directly to Quebec City. So the distance is almost 2.5 to 3 hours still remaining. And that's it. So we do not plan to stop anywhere in between, but it can so happen we might. So we are following an itemized itinerary. वो भी मैं description में डाल दूँगा. The hotel is Holiday Inn and एकदम सामने ही हाईवे है, which is good. और यहाँ से एंट्रेंस है. तो अभी हम लोग लगेज लेके हम लोग अंदर तक जाएंगे और अभी चेक इन करेंगे. और मज़ा आया. It was a very good drive, very relaxing. There was very less traffic, not much. I believe it's because of Good Friday. However, it has started snowing, as well as it's raining. It's kind of a bit of like sleet. But however, the weather is gonna be like this. तो अभी हम लोग रूम में जाएंगे. रूम में चेक इन करने के बाद थोड़ा रेस्ट करके most likely we will be going to the falls unless there is a change of plan. Finally, we have reached. अभी आराम से होटल में रेस्ट करेंगे. उसके बाद we will be going out. It's been a long day. It's almost 4:30 right now, and in the evening we would be going to the falls, which is the Montmorency Falls. We'll go through the Plains of Abraham, and then at night we are gonna have dinner in downtown. Thank you everyone. अभी vlog को यहाँ पे ख़त्म करते हैं. मिलते हैं next vlog. Bye.